Hi, John from MILLERCAT. If you have a Honda Element, we can spot your car from a mile away, but unfortunately, so can the cat thieves. Today, we're going to introduce to you our version 2 of our Honda Element Cat Shield, but also our direct fit, carb compliant, 50 state legal catalytic converter. This is our first converter and shield combination that will fit seamlessly with your vehicle and offer you ultimate protection. This converter can be installed in any state because it is carb compliant. But not only that, the shield is made out of 304 stainless steel to prevent rust and corrosion, which is especially important if you live in an area with high salt content, either in the atmosphere or the roads. We get this question asked a lot. Do shields overheat my vehicle? And the answer is no, they do not. Here at MILLERCAT, we design and rigorously test all our shields to make sure they do not overheat your converter or your vehicle. For all you Honda Element owners out there who are looking for a converter and a shield, go to catshield.com and stay Cat Shield protected.